You gave love, time, loyalty to people who made you feel invisible. You held their secrets, clapped for their wins, healed what they broke. And when you were hurting, they barely noticed. You stayed when you should have left. You poured into people who stayed empty. And the hardest part is that you still keep blaming yourself. But listen, you weren't wrong for loving the way you did love. You weren't weak for staying when you had the chance to leave. You were just being you. Real, faithful, and true. It's just who you are. You wear your heart on your sleeves for the people that you love. And the thing is with you is you wanted to give them the best that you had to offer. So that way, if things did end it, at least you knew that you gave it your all. I think it just hurts you that they didn't do the same for you. But I'll tell you what though, loyalty without boundaries, that shit becomes self-destruction. And that ain't who you are. Now is not the time to self-destruct. You have your whole life ahead of you. You have a future looking forward for you to manifest. So you don't need to change your heart. You need to change the access. Because loyalty is power. It's sacred. It heals generations. But when it's given to the people who don't blink at your pain, it turns into permanent heartbreak. You have to figure out what kind of people do you want in your life. They need to show you who they are and what they bring to the table. Because sweetheart, you bring the whole fucking table. So they can't come at your table just to eat. They need to come there and bring value, love, support, emotional intelligence. They need to come with a provision mindset. Because you provide a lot from your heart and soul. So that thing with you where you pour into others and they're not pouring back into you, that shit stops today. No more giving, no more shrinking, no more proving. I know you think that you're selfless by doing all this shit, but you're selfish towards yourself. And when you're selfish towards yourself, people will treat you as such. They will be selfish with you. Because if you keep selling yourself short, keep giving discounts to people who are looking for sale, you will always run out of stock. So one thing I want you to do, choose different now. Know who you want, what you want, and choose different. Because if you've been choosing the same, it'll just be insanity. And I don't want you to be insane. I don't want you to be bitter, but aware. Not angry, but just done with clarity. So from now on, your love, it comes with filters. Your loyalty protects you first. And your energy feeds you before it fuels anybody else. And let me remind you, they didn't break you. They just showed you where not to invest. And you needed that lesson. And even though you stuck with folks that didn't even blink for you, at least now, you're sticking with someone who will never leave you again. You.